Alright, yo, what's going on? Nike Patty subscribers. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to fully assemble a tech deck. Alright, so this is the tech deck I'm doing right here. Check out this lighting, by the way. Boy, got a light, you dig? Alright, so this tech deck is fully, unassembled. So, all you need to do to set up a tech deck is you need 4 wheels. So, 4 wheels, 2 trucks, okay? This tool, this right here, this tool comes with every tech deck you purchase. And then these bearings and the screw, and there's this one that I just brought too. You guys can see it. I just brought that one because I'm not sure if there's 4 in here or not. And then what's optional is these toy machine stickers to put on the back of your board. So obviously what you want to do first, or this might not be too obvious if you've never assembled a tech deck before, is you're going to want to put on the grip tape, alright? And so a lot of people are wondering, how do you actually put on the grip tape? And so it is a sticker, or it is sticky, and it does take a while to get. And yeah, so I'm gonna be back once I get it. Alright, just got it right here. Takes a minute, not too long at all. And so then, what's really critical is you want to make sure it's on the side you want it. And what I think the best method is putting it one corner at a time and trying to be as hit on as possible. And let's see, can I get it in the middle? Some people don't really care, but I'd like it to look nice. And if you're off, you could just peel it off. So let's try to just get it close enough. Or another technique that I see people do is you just go for bearings, or where the holes are, and you try to connect the holes, but I don't know, for some reason that hasn't really worked with me in the past. So I'll be back once I get this on here. Alright, so I got it here pretty even. You definitely want to get these corners. That's like the most important part. Just work it down. Again, you want to get the corners. That's the most important part. There we go. Pretty much on. Not perfect. You can peel it off if any's like sticking out, but I think that's as good as I want it. Alright, so now that we did that, it's time to jump in onto actually assembling the board. So first things first is your trucks. Now, real quick, I'm gonna grab this board right here. And here it is. And so as you can see, this part is facing inward. So this is actually fingerboard, but yeah, so we're gonna make sure that that's facing inward the whole time we do this. So this is when you're gonna need the black screws, okay? You're gonna actually need 8 if you wanna do all of it nicely, but just for video purposes, and since I don't wanna take up all of your guys' day, I'm only gonna do cross. So what you're gonna do, you just wanna hold it on right here. And this part, getting the first part can be kind of tricky, so that's why I can definitely see people don't want to put together ones that aren't attached, and you can't really blame you. So you can go diagonal on these, really kind of like whatever you want. So what I'm gonna do, put it in first, okay? So you see it sticking out. And now you can put this on here. Oh, There you go, I just dropped it. See, this is pretty tricky. I'm just gonna fast forward it. Right, so pretty sure that it's on good now. Now it's time to put on the wheels, which is not as frustrating. But for this, you'll need these gold ones. So yeah, hopefully I can get them out without having them go everywhere. Alright, so if you missed it, using the screws is very aggravating, but the best way to do it is keep your hands dry, so then when you're like raging and you're about to die because of it, your hands don't get too slippery and you start missing. There you go. That wheel went on just like that. Wheel repairs too, same thing. Wheels are easy to put on. The trucks are not. Alright, so here we go. I just make sure that it's kind of tight. There we go. First truck on, 2 bolts, works just fine. Yeah, ready for the second. Hopefully I don't rage quit. Alright. Alright, so an important thing is that you make them tight, but not too tight. I can't imagine how many times I've done this and then them ending up just coming off. So tight, but not too tight. Now, just gonna put on the last 2 wheels here. It should be good. Same thing with this, tight but not too tight. And let's put on this last wheel here. And yeah, we should be done fully assembling our tech deck, and we will be ready to play. And there we go. That's it. That is how you fully assemble a tech deck. My hands are very red. So remember, guys, when you're working with small objects, steady hands and controlled emotions are key, because you get mad and you knock one of these pieces off, you're never finding it again. I mean, you can, you also won't. And so real quick, this right here can be tightened and also loosened for truck loosenability, or whatever you guys would call it. So yeah, but that's up to you. Just like how tight you make your tires. It just depends on how smooth of a ride you're going for. And yeah, let's get a little quick montage in here, since we just finished making our tech deck. Oh yeah, and also these stickers. Since I finished this one by myself, gonna toss the sticker kinda. Should I put it right in the middle, or yeah, let's put it right here. There we go. That's the sticker. And yeah, let's shred it up.
One time, just a little bit, one time, just a little bit, one time, just a little bit, I don't wanna get close. I haven't been the same since I loved that hoe. I haven't been the same since I lost my bro. I say I'm gonna change when I know I won't. I get high, I love to smoke. She gon' lie like I'm a joke. You wanna take flights across the coast. Remember those times, no horoscope. Life goes